Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to follow a very special family. Their name is the Taylor family. The Taylor family lives in a small, beautiful house in a quiet neighborhood. There are 4 people in the Taylor family. There is David, he is the father. There is Sarah, she is the mother. There is Ben, he is the son, he is 10 years old. And there is Lily, she is the daughter. She is 7 years old. Today, we will follow the Taylor family for one whole day. We will see what they do in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is 6:30 in the morning. The alarm clock is ringing. David, the father, wakes up. He opens his eyes slowly. He stretches his arms. He says to himself, "Good morning. A new day is starting." David goes to the bathroom. First, he washes his face with cold water. David goes to the kitchen. He makes coffee. He loves coffee in the morning. He also makes toast, 2 pieces of bread with butter and jam. While he eats breakfast, he reads the news on his phone. He is quiet in the morning. He likes a peaceful start to his day. Then he brushes his teeth. After that, he gets dressed. David is a teacher. He works at a school near their house. He wears black trousers and a blue shirt every day. It is now 7 o'clock. Sarah, the mother, wakes up. Sarah is a nurse. She works at the local hospital. Sarah is a morning person. She wakes up happy. First, she does some yoga in the bedroom. Just 10 minutes. She says it helps her feel calm and ready for the day. After yoga, Sarah goes to the kitchen. She prepares breakfast for the whole family. She makes eggs, orange juice, and some fruit. She puts 4 plates on the table, 1 for each person in the family. Sarah loves cooking. It makes her feel happy. It is 7:15. Ben, the son, wakes up. Ben does not like mornings. He pulls the blanket over his head and says, "5 more minutes, please." But Sarah calls from the kitchen, "Ben, time to get up. Breakfast is ready." Ben sighs. Then he gets up slowly. But Lily is different. Lily loves mornings. When the alarm rings, she jumps out of bed immediately. She runs to her parents' room and shouts, "Good morning! Good morning! I'm hungry!" Everyone in the family laughs. At 7:30, the whole family sits together at the breakfast table. David drinks his second coffee. Sarah eats her eggs. Ben eats slowly because he is still sleepy. And Lily talks a lot. She tells everyone about her dream last night. She says, "I dreamed about a purple elephant, and the elephant could fly." Everyone smiles and listens to Lily. This is the Taylor family's favourite part of the morning, breakfast together. At 8 o'clock, David leaves the house. He kisses Sarah on the cheek. He hugs Ben and Lily. He says, "Have a great day, everyone. See you this evening." The children say, "Bye, Dad. Have a good day." David gets in his car and drives to school. At 8:15, Ben and Lily go to school. They walk together to the bus stop. Ben listens to music on the way. Lily picks up a flower from the ground and puts it in her hair. They take the school bus to their school. Sarah watches them from the window until they are gone. Then she gets ready for her work at the hospital. It is noon, 12 o'clock. David is at school. He is teaching English to his students. He is a kind and patient teacher. His students like him very much. At noon, he has lunch in the school cafeteria. He always eats a sandwich and a salad. After lunch, he talks with his friends, other teachers at the school. They drink coffee and rest for 30 minutes. Sarah is at the hospital. She helps patients all morning. She checks their temperature, she gives them medicine. She talks to them kindly. Sarah is a very caring nurse. Her patients always feel better when she is there. At 1 o'clock, Sarah has lunch in the hospital cafeteria. She eats soup and bread. During her lunch break, she calls David on the phone. She asks, "How is your day, honey?" David says, "Good. A little busy, but good. How about you?" Sarah says, "I'm tired, but happy. See you tonight." Meanwhile, at school, Ben is having lunch with his friends. After lunch, they play football in the playground. Ben is a good football player. He runs fast and kicks the ball very well. His team wins the game today. He is very happy. Lily is in her classroom. Today, they have art class. The teacher asks the children to draw anything they want. Lily draws the purple elephant from her dream. The elephant has big wings and is flying over the clouds. The teacher looks at Lily's drawing and says, "Lily, this is beautiful, very creative." Lily smiles proudly. It is 4:30 in the afternoon. David finishes work and walks home. He likes walking. It helps him relax after a long day at school. On the way, he stops at the bakery. He buys a small cake for the family. It is chocolate cake, his children's favorite. Living room scene. A boy and a girl are sitting at a table doing homework. Books and pencils on the table. The TV is off. The room is warm and tidy. An open backpack on the floor. At home, Ben and Lily are doing their homework. Ben has math homework. He finds it a little difficult. He reads the question again and again. Lily has reading homework. She reads a story about a brave little mouse. She reads out loud, softly, moving her lips with every word. The house is quiet. Both children are working hard. When David opens the front door, Ben and Lily run to him. Lily shouts, "Dad! Dad! You're home!" Ben sees the cake box and says, "What's in the box, Dad?" David smiles and says, "A little surprise. But first, finish your homework." Ben and Lily run back to the table immediately. David laughs quietly. At 5:30, Sarah comes home from the hospital. She opens the door and says, "I'm home." David goes to the door and says, "Welcome home. Sit down, I'll make some tea." Sarah smiles and says, "You are the best." She sits on the sofa and closes her eyes for a few minutes. The day was long, but she is happy to be home. Tonight, David cooks dinner. He makes spaghetti with tomato sauce. Lily helps him in the kitchen. She stirs the sauce with a big spoon. She tastes it and says, "Mmm, delicious. I think it needs more salt, Dad." David tastes it too and says, "You're right. Good job, Lily." Lily feels very proud. At 6:30, the family sits down for dinner together. David puts the spaghetti on the table. Sarah pours water for everyone. Ben sets the plates and forks. Then they all sit down. David says, "This looks wonderful. Thank you, Lily." Lily says, "You're welcome. I helped." Everyone laughs and eats together. During dinner, they talk about their day. Ben tells his family about the football game he won. Lily shows them a photo of her purple elephant drawing. David talks about one of his students who learned a new English word today. Sarah talks about a patient who felt much better after her care. They listen to each other. They laugh together. This is the best time of the Taylor family's day. After dinner, David brings the chocolate cake. Ben and Lily's eyes get big. Ben shouts, "Chocolate cake! Yes!" They all eat cake together in the living room. They watch a funny TV show and laugh at the jokes. At 8 o'clock, it is time for bed. Sarah says, "Okay, kids, time to get ready for bed." Ben and Lily go to the bathroom together. They brush their teeth and wash their faces. They make funny faces in the mirror and laugh at each other. Sarah reads a bedtime story to Lily. Tonight's story is about a girl who discovers a secret garden. Lily listens carefully, her eyes getting heavy. Sarah reads slowly and softly. By the end of the story, Lily is almost asleep. Sarah kisses her on the forehead and says, "Good night, my sweet girl. Sweet dreams." Lily says softly, "Good night, Mum. I love you." Now the house is quiet. David and Sarah are in their room. Sarah reads her book. David writes in his journal. He writes about his day, what was good, what was difficult. He writes, "Today was a good day. The kids are happy. Sarah is home. We had chocolate cake." He smiles as he writes. At 9:30, all the lights go off in the Taylor house. The whole family is asleep. David is dreaming about his students. Sarah is dreaming about a quiet beach. Ben is dreaming about football. And Lily is dreaming about her purple elephant flying high above the clouds. And that is the end of a day with the Taylor family. Let's quickly review what we learned today. In the morning, David wakes up early, has coffee, and goes to school. Sarah does yoga, makes breakfast, and goes to the hospital. Ben wakes up slowly and goes to school by bus. Lily wakes up happily and talks all through breakfast. In the afternoon, David teaches his students. Sarah helps her patients. Ben plays football. Lily makes a drawing. In the evening, the family eats dinner together, eats chocolate cake, and watches TV. At night, the children go to bed. David and Sarah rest quietly. And then a new day begins. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the Taylor family. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more stories like this, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.